Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Jim, and we're looking at cryptocurrency today. We're looking at how the altcoins are really in the move. Just about everything is super green right now, double digits. Let's go down the line and check them out. We got Bitcoin is going sideways for the last 3-4 days or so. It's been going sideways. It hit 120. Bitcoin went up to 119,600. So we're hanging on. We're hanging at the top basically. Actually, it kind of just went up to 119,145 in the last minute or so. Oh, it's down again. Okay, it did go up a little bit. It just had a big, brief jump. But looking at Ethereum and XRP, they're both 26% up. Solana 20%. Dogecoin 38%. Cardano 24%. I mean, this is big numbers for these coins. Bitcoin Cash is only at 5 right now. It's probably beginning to get started again. It goes up it has a mine of its own, basically, Bitcoin Cash. It doesn't do what the other ones are doing at the time. It's just building up steps, rests, builds up steps, rests. Litecoin 23% up, guys. Let's check out our Litecoin. That's one of our favorite Grayscale and native coins that we have. That one in BCH and BCHG, of course. Let's look at the all-time chart on this one. We got the highest that it was. It was right about here, about 223. So it has this much to go. It's just like Doge. It has 100% more to go up high in the native side. Now, if you look at the Litecoin on the trust, the Grayscale trust, the chart changes, and it's a lot. You can do a lot better over at Grayscale. So it has a way to go, but it's beginning its climb, and it's got a nice steady climb for the last. It's been steady for the last month or so, but just all of a sudden it kind of just jumped in the last few days, especially today. This week actually. Okay, so now we also have Dash. Dash is doing quite well in the last month, 33% up. It's at $25, and for a long time it was hovering right around 19 or 18 or so. And I thought it was a tremendous buy, all-time high. I mean, it's got a way to go. If I had the money, I would. Man, look at this huge jump! Boy, oh boy, oh boy! A huge jump on the potential for Dash. And Dash is an old coin. It's an old OG. It's been around. It's very secure. It's very privacy. You can mix up your coins with everybody else's Dash, and as far as privacy, it's like it's a nice thing to have. Not that I'm doing anything illegal. It's just that I love privacy. Unfortunately, we don't have that anymore. It's been pretty much taken away by the governments and the corporations again. 13% up in the last 7 days, and today it's only up, but it was up at 25.85. It went up to 25. It's down today, 25.85 down today, and it's taking a little break. I do have some in my Kraken account. I got Dash and other accounts, but Dash is it just continues climbing. It's a beautiful climb, beautiful climb. I'm not trading it. I was going to start trading, some coins here, but it's worthless. It's useless trading coins when they're climbing. When they're going sideways, it's dull and boring, and they go sideways. But then again, cryptocurrency, the prices they fluctuate so much that you sooner or later you end up it's better just to hold it and then sell high, over a big period of time, instead of going up and down, all of a sudden it goes up, and then you really can't buy into it unless you put more coins into it. And then going down is the same thing. You get stuck up there, and you're waiting and waiting years, and so trading is a bitch. It's really a bitch. But I got something here, and I'm just letting it ride. Okay, let's check something else out. Okay, let's check out Digibytes. Digibytes, in the last day, it's gone up 3.4%. In the last 7 days, it's been gone up 15%. Now let's check out a month. In the last month, what Digibyte has done. Digibyte has gone up 28%. So Digibyte has been doing really good for the last month or so. And it'll continue going up. It has a big opportunity to jump all the way over to here at 17 cents, I think. It shows 14 cents as being the high, so I don't know. Maybe it was 17 cents. I don't know. Yeah, somebody mentioned that the other day. So 14 or 17 cents, I don't know. But it's gotta, if I had money, I'd invest in this. I'm not telling you that you should do that, but this is Digibytes. Let's check out the altcoin season chart that I've been showing everybody. Yeah, you can see it. We're at 55. We're climbing fast. The question is, on this chart, let me move it over so put it in the center. The question is, once it goes up here, we're probably going to be in an altcoin season, and it's probably going to last, maybe, like I said yesterday, it's going to be more than a week. It's probably going to last maybe 3 weeks, maybe 4, maybe 5 weeks. I don't know. It could be a day, and then it just goes back down. I mean, who's to say? I don't know. But there's a good chance that we're going to have a longer time for the altcoins to keep moving up. And there's other things happening too in the world, and like I say, some people want to abandon. BRICS wants to abandon the dollar. Russia, India, South Africa. South Africa sucks now. Brazil, and many of these other people. They just want. They're fed up with the policies of the United States and their crazy bombing rates with them, along with Israel, of course. I'm not anti-Jewish. I'm anti-Zionite. There's a lot of Jewish people that are against the Zionism that's going on in America and, of course, Israel. And, they're against brother against brother. Some book, I think in the Bible it says it'll be brother against brother, and that's what's happening today. So in the wake of the animosity that's taking place, we're heading up. We're probably going to be heading quite up the altcoins. This chart is very we have altcoin seasons every so often, and the last big one was 22. August to July of 22. So we had a short one over here. If you recall, that was about March, April of 2024. It didn't last long. It was just brief, and of course in December of last year to January for I don't know, what would you say, this is November, to another week, about another week of we had an altcoin season there, but it wasn't long enough. Let's hope that this one's going to be a nice long one. And okay, let's check out my portfolio real quick. It's been moving up steadily. I still got to clear this 30,000 over here, and that'll happen as soon as these guys get their butts moving. I got FILG. It's still pretty much down, but it's 15% up in the Grayscale. I bought some at $3, I think it was. So now it's $5.15. So I've recuperated a little bit, but still not enough to offset the 14,000 that I invested in. I'm still at 11,000 loss. So I'm hoping for a long, big altcoin season move. Everything's up. Everything, even the stocks are up. The BCHG is up 31 cents on the Grayscale side, which is 8%, which is higher than the native cryptocurrency. Of course, LTCN is doing great at 17%. It's a little lower than the cryptocurrency side, but it's up $1.66, which is kind of like a very, very nice jump. LTCN is in the green for the first time in about a year. Yeah, maybe a year and a half or so. Right about here, we're in the green. And hopefully all these other guys just start kicking butt and just move up. And as soon as they move up, I'm gonna have hopefully this altcoin season lasts long. It's gonna be a job. I lost my Walmart option down here. It expired on the 18th or 19th. So it was like $900 that I lost. I think it was. It wasn't. I needed a longer option, longer time, so these can work out. The backside to this is that if we have a crash, then I pretty much lose all the options. I don't anticipate any crashes, but then again, you never know. When you least expect it, when everything's going well, and everything's too nice and too smooth, everybody's making money, all of a sudden, kaboom. So you gotta be careful. I'm not telling you buy these options here. These are just options. They're just call options. Usually you're supposed to buy them with a protective put, and I got no protection. I'm risking it. I'm risking it all because I kind of have faith in them at the moment, just because of experience. But you should always, if you invest in these, always get a little protective put, just in case. You never know what happens. Turmoil. Look, the presidency. If Trump is caught with if he got caught with his underwear on, with the girls and the young girls, the underage girls. I mean, you have a problem with the presidency, and things can go into turmoil, and when things finally clear out, markets might have crashed in the meantime. So always be wary of that, the market crashes and stuff like that. This is Grayscale. Everything's up. Check this one out. G Live. Live Peer. almost 50% up today. Horizon is up 22%. Is it? HCN. I got HCN. Oh yeah. It's gone up 21%. Nice. But it still hasn't caught up to these guys because these are moving up, and everything's been moving up. Wow, nice. What else? What's another? Filecoin, 14% up, and of course on the Grayscale, 7% up on the Bitcoin Cash. Stellar Lumens continues its upward trend. Decentraland Mana 12%. Stellar Lumens 8%. Gold up $50 almost. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you for a Monday morning. We're at the Grayscale Castle. We're at the rooftop, and it's always raining, and it's always night up here for some reason. Isn't it beautiful, that picture? In real life, I wish I've always wanted to live in a castle, with a let's see. Where is it? With the vampire. Walking around. Alright, guys, take care. Let's leave the vampire up there. Take care.